Jumping rope is a highly effective full-body cardio exercise that improves coordination, cardiovascular endurance, and muscular endurance. How to jump rope step by step. 1. Choose the right rope. When you step on the middle of the rope, the handles should reach your armpits. Use a lightweight speed rope for cardio or a weighted rope to increase resistance. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Grip the handles loosely with your fingers, not your palms. Keep elbows tucked close to your body. Hold your hands slightly in front of your hips. Turn the rope with your wrists, not your arms. Jump only 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Just enough for the rope to pass under your feet. Land softly on the balls of your feet with knees slightly bent. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth steadily. Avoid holding your breath. Rhythmic breathing improves endurance. Muscles worked while jumping rope. Calves, gastrocnemius, soleus. Primary movers during push-off and landing. Quads. Assist in jumping and absorbing landing impact. Hamstrings stabilize knees and aid in knee flexion. Glutes engage to support hip extension and posture. Hip flexors help lift legs for each jump. Rectus abdominis stabilizes torso and maintains upright posture. Obliques assist with balance and body control. Transverse abdominis, deep core stability for control during jumps. Forearms and wrists, control rope rotation. Shoulders, deltoids. Keep arms lifted and stable. Upper back, traps, rhomboids. Maintain posture and arm positioning. Please check my next video.